crewmaster, of course, the loadmaster, checking out the back. And the loadmaster, if you look closely at the back ramp, that's Senior Airman Ramos waving hello to you. Make sure to say hi and wave back.
Of his program. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4. It looks like just one huge airplane is performing this maneuver, but each aircraft in this moment is following a different line in order to maintain the right position within the formation, closing. He's proving the technical features of our ending. Green with red, this was the wingman roll, and then Apollo 313. Apollo becomes sections separate as two lunar models of 313 because 313 training square is the official denomination of our team. The unit where mounted people, officers and NCOs are on duty every day to make this spectacular flight possible. Second section, shaping back from leader swan to leader round with a bounce from 27. You can count again within well turn. It will take 12 seconds to fly along the 3 kilometers display. It's like 3, 2, 1. The amazing crossing of the heart of Frecce Tricolori, once again solo pilot from the left with his ice load factor maneuver. Full throttle entering the 7Gs 902. At this moment aboard the MB-39, everything is waiting 7 days more. Rotates gently around his axis as if it were a single giant airlifter long, about 70 meters. It's been literally pushed back at the cockpit by force of the second wingman, then can again get in the original position while poles 4 and 5 roll around them. Then as bolts off, pilots go up for a change of configuration, land and shaking off and build pyramid, climbing to 4,000 feet above our heads and preparing for the most spectacular separation. Different directions, 3 different levels of vertical separation. Don't miss the most breathtaking crossing of the show. Aerobatics, gear down and a landing configuration, but no intention for him to land. It will be a better roll than a looping with a range of just 100 kilometers per hour between the start speed and gear or speed. That's how Major DeCecco is demonstrating the exceptional. So don't miss the chance to take a picture of our Mike Charlie 39 tricolor belly during this low-speed slender turn with aerobrake extended. Exclusively but visually by the pilots of Frecce Tricolori. While from the left, again, the soul is coming for what is probably the most renowned figure in his repertoire, synthesis of skills handed down from pilot to pilot and a technical feature of the MB-39. Ladies and gents, this is the spectacular Crazy Flight. Pony number 3, Captain Leonardo Leo. Pony number 4, Captain Alessandro Sommarino. Pony number 5, Captain Simone Fanfarillo. Pony touching down right now, the pilots can finally have a look outside. So
D Mustang with a Merlin, Packard-built Merlin engine. The Patriot Parachute Team